Welcome. This tutorial is designed specifically for teachers. Once your administrator has created your account, you will receive your login details via email. After logging in for the first time, we strongly recommend that you change your password to keep your account secure. When you log in, you will land on your teacher dashboard. Here you can immediately see the number of students you teach, the number of classes assigned to you, and the subjects you are teaching. If you teach more than one subject, they will all be listed here. These subjects are assigned by your administrator. If you have marks that still need to be uploaded, the pending marks section will display them for you. Just below that, you will see upcoming assessments and recent assessments, allowing you to quickly access and upload marks when needed. When you click on My Classes, you will see the classes where you are a subject teacher and the classes where you are a class teacher. If you open a class where you are the class teacher, you will see the full list of students in that class. You can also switch between viewing your students and viewing the subjects you are teaching. To create an assessment, go to the Assessments page and select Create Assessment. You will enter the subject, the class, and the exam period. You can choose whether it is a general exam, a midterm exam, an end-of-term exam, or an end-of-year exam. A general exam can be a weekly test or an in-class assessment. Next, enter the total marks for the exam. If the assessment has more than one paper, enter the number of papers and define the marks and weight percentage for each paper. The total weight must add up to 100%. Once everything is complete, click Save, and the assessment will appear in your list. You can view details, edit the assessment, or delete it if no marks have been uploaded yet. To upload marks, select the assessment and choose the paper. You can enter marks manually, or you can download the provided template, fill in the marks and comments, and upload the file. Once saved, the marks will be recorded in the system. As a class teacher, you are required to mark attendance daily. If attendance is not marked, you will receive an automatic reminder email around 10 a.m., Monday to Friday. To mark attendance, select the students who are present and submit. Once attendance is submitted, your dashboard will update, and your records will be complete for the day. You are now ready to confidently use Rongeka Africa in your daily teaching activities. Thank you.